Nobotuki obwabeire bogokorekana nekiombe gya NCPD nigo bokorokebuna county ya Nyamira ngati yechi county emerongibere ekyabere chikoro kya gotangana ase abanyaruka konyora amarito agengyo mu county commissioner Onesmus Kiatha nigo baba bakubwaterana n'ababwatani bande ase okoligia chinchera cyogotanga amarito agengyo ime county ya Nyamira muri kito job maangi nabakagotalira chinsemecho naboyogotwaliganiria oroboti rokobwatia
Maiga yoko kina wekerengo kia marito agenkyo ase county Nyamira erega chichi county chitangaine ase goikira bono amarito agenkyo arase kerengo ge 15 nuguta isano.
Some of the countries were dropped and currently PMA is in 9 countries.
Kubwatekana n'obutuki bwa koltine kiombe kia NCPB omwaka bw'ekiri bubere n'emerongo ebere na isato nige sub county ya Borabu etangaine ekobwatigune sub county ya Manga sub county ya Masaba North Nyamira North ase Nyamira South egosieki
generate their new sex and their new protective sex. 19 Nyamira North 2019 Manga. What is not happening? Unajua tutasema ilikuwa COVID, sio? Ama it was a period possible. Kwa hiyo kama kusema mtoto akikaa nyumbani lazima apate. Na mtoto amepewa mimba. Out of that wangapi watarudi shule?
Nigaba watani abakorone kyombege kwegerera oboteni bwo kuibora International Center for Productive Health National Council for Population and Development Getago kyobolendi bakorono mu county commissioner we county Nyamira Onesmus Chata batwara egeikaro asumo bogani oyomo ime county Nyamira asibakwanira igoro echinchera cyogokeya amalito agenkyo.
Going downwards, we are going what? Upwards. In terms of these very serious violations. And we need to look at ourselves and re-examine ourselves, all of us.
Omo county commissioner we county Nyamira Onesmus Chata naichanira ekerengo ekenene kya malito agenkyo.
It is very sad for us in this 21st century we are still talking about these things. It is like we have lost direction. If somebody today can think about God and violate a young girl, a child, and they destroy our life, we need to seriously deal with these issues.
Esege tunjaru gucha sabara kanisa abagaka bekenyoro n'abantu bonsi gocha amo asogokeya amalito agenkyo.
We are supposed to ensure that we sensitize the entire community. Very important. Baga nyumba 10 huko kwa villages huko wakiongea wanaongea kwa sauti moja na kusema kwamba we have refused in Nyamira, we don't want any more early pregnancies and teenage.
Sometimes our children complain at home. Do you ever take time to listen why they are complaining? You don't. So if you don't, as a parent, that's what we are telling our parents, then you are creating room for teenage what? Pregnancy.
With the platforms we have, we need to have a sector approach to ensure that we address all these challenges.
Ekuro entindi njarwegwa uchasonde bwensi oratoke na mamocho yokunereria abana kinyaruka obwene bwabo unamba chikoirerwa egetambokero egetindi.
But this time around, we want to have even those fellows who are doing this, we need to expose them. Hata kama ni county commissioner ameenda kusumbua mtoto ya shule. Kama ile chief nilisikia ya huko Kisii, si ndio? Si kuna chief ameshikwa. Si ndio? Even here there is a chief who is in jail. Kuna you are reformed for 20 years, si ndio? Kwa sababu ya kulala na mtoto ya shule, si ndio? This thing they also happen, they are being committed by some of the managers.
Kurwase county Nyamira, ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV, Job Maangi.